Sup guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. This trail that we are going to be on is in Moab, Utah. It is called Fins and Things, and it is at the Sand Flats Recreational Area in Moab, Utah, of course. I only have a little bit of footage from this Fins and Things trail, but it is a very great starter trail, a trail that if you want to test your lockers and test your stuff before you go get on the harder trails, it's a great trail. The second half, once you pass the main road, is very beautiful. We don't take that in this video, but it's very beautiful, very scenic in my opinion. Not overly hard, definitely has some obstacles, but it is a fantastic trail. The main trail that we're going to be on today, I guess you'll have to wait till we get to that trail to know which one it is.
I said, I'm impressed with your skills. Your skills, bro. I'm impressed. Especially with the pressure of all girls, you know, precious cargo. No, I feel pressure.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain.
Alright, well you finally made it to the main trail of the day. Super short, like I was saying. But this trail is the Hell's Revenge at the same off-road park, Sand Flats Recreation Area in Moab. Freaking awesome. This is the one that everybody has seen 8 million videos on every social media platform. Any video online ever of Utah is always this trail, and then specifically Hell's Gate, that obstacle. But there's so much more to this trail. It is so incredible of a trail. Heck, as you can see, the rest of the video is all about this trail. It is incredible. So let's get straight into the action and continue rolling on this trail. Heck, you guys have already seen the gatekeeper's freaking awesome.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these.
Alright guys, we're back again. We're gonna go hit the trail. Everyone's here. King shall be the narrator for the ride.
As you can see, we got ourselves a gorgeous view. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment if you want to see any certain trails in the future. We'll make sure to hit them next time we come. Turn on the notification bells.
Notification bell. Subscribe. Always have fun.
Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
walked up that. Thanks for showing me the way, King.
Easy money. Get that, baby. Dude, I was so confident.
Hey, how you doing? Dude, look at that. Views on views on views.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
How you doing, Emma?
Meanwhile.
Yeah. Dude, you take this turn and it feels like you're going sideways.
Alright guys, Chance just walked up Hell's Gate, freaking famous obstacle, Moab.
We're about to do it.
My boy Chance is gonna freaking hook us up and spot us. So we're gonna get buckled up and do it. And they're even gonna hook us up with some outside shots. Sorry.
Oh.
'Straighten out.
makes my heart drop, bro. I can't. Oh. I'm filming, so what's up? Yep. Oh, God.
Bro, we did it! Finally! That was mental.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
All right, Hell's Gate is actually towards the very back of the trail. The trail for Hell's Revenge goes in, and then it's kind of like a big loop after like a half mile into the trail, and then you circle around it, and you can hit a bunch of obstacles, and then you loop back, and then when you get somewhat close to connecting again where it came in, it has like a T where you could take one way and it leads all the way out of the park, or you can continue to go back the exact same way that you came in, and then go back down to the parking lot. It's pretty cool. It's an incredible trail. And you're gonna see 90% of this trail in this video. It is incredible and so worth doing. You guys got to go to Moab, Utah, and do this trail.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, this is the escalator. Chance is gonna attempt it. He's gone up with his Jeep, but he's never done it with the side-by-side. Alright, so there's the first level. That's how you brake. Bouncing. I'm not a safe driver at all. What are you talking about? Fair. I don't know, I follow Chance everywhere I've gone.
Is this stupid?
No, this is cool.
Was it?
I interrupted you. Sorry, my bad. It's my fault. It's me.
Apparently, I did not get footage of it, but Chance did make it up all the way up the escalator.
Send it, Bailey! Send it!
It did take a little bit of shifting around. The next pool up was completely full of water. It definitely made things a little interesting, but it was sick.
We have found Trailmater. Friggin' yanking them up. Someone broke it on the trail. That's so sick. Watch so many of his videos and be able to actually see him in person. But not in person, like in a meet and greet. See him doing his job. Side by side guys like having time of his life. Like his Jeep doors on his square body. And then you got another filming vehicle. That's so sick.
We actually did get to see Trailmater, and in one of his videos that I will link in the description, but we did get to see Trailmater actually kind of mess up and screw up. He did an obstacle, and the side-by-side that he was towing out tipped over and fell over, so we got to hang out and see behind that. But out of respect for him, I stayed out of his video, and I also didn't record anything. I just kind of stayed somewhat away, but I did somewhat watch too, to be able to be respectful for the people getting the tow and for him to be able to just do his job. So yeah, but that's everything for this video. That pretty much just finished This Is the Trail. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.